What's up guys, and breaking news. Finally the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro launch date has been official. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, the most highly anticipated phone left to release this year has finally been given the official announcement, and it has been unofficially confirmed by infamous leaker John Prosser a month ago. But today Google themselves confirmed that the launch date of their upcoming big flagship level device to be announced on October 19 at 10 a.m. The two Tensor powered handsets are unlikely to go on sale immediately after their launch event, but if we trust the leakster John Prosser, the actual commercial debut of the Google Pixel devices will be available in just 9 days later. October 28 certainly doesn't feel very distant anymore, and especially with the big Google doing an unusual good job of building buzz around its next iPhone rivals. These bad boys have been making headlines for a long time now, and although we have known everything and there is nothing left that is not known already, we are still excited for what they have offered out to the real world. If you are equally excited like me, be sure to subscribe the channel. By the way, if you are excited, you should know that you are mostly definitely not crazy, and Google indeed already announced the Pixel 6 Duo once back in earlier August. But that was more of the pre-announcement and an opportunity for the search giant to primarily hype up its first ever in-house chipset, which has essentially been detailed in full in numbers of reports leaks in recent weeks. In addition to the Tensor SoC that was unlikely to match the raw speed of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and the absolute best A15 Bionic Beast, the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro are unsurprisingly expected to have an impressive photographic skills going for them. Specifically, the slightly humble, smaller and cheaper model is stripped to pair of 50 megapixel of a main rear-facing shooter with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, with the Pixel 6 Pro likely to add a 48 megapixel telephoto lens extra to those same two image sensor. Speaking of the retail price, nothing is confirmed in the store just yet, but the 6.4-inch Pixel 6 could be start anywhere between $700 and $799, with the 6.7-inch Pixel 6 Pro set to cost you around $1,000 or $1,100 in an entry-level configuration, combining 128GB of internal storage space with a 12GB of RAM count. The non-Pro variant, mind you, might settle for 8GB of RAM as well as 90Hz AMOLED display as opposed to the Pro state-of-the-art 120Hz OLED screen. So guys, I honestly think that the camera performance of the Pixel 6 series will be definitely going to be improved because as we already know about Google previous generation phones that they were coming with a 12 megapixel sensor, so having a 50 megapixel sensor in a new device combining with their software optimization for cameras will definitely make the camera performance even better. Anyhow, Google is also working on the Pixel Fold devices, and could there be any surprise in the store? Well, in short, yes. In long, well, we don't really know. With that being said, we certainly think that at least two primary suspects for the surprise spot in the limelight for the Google 2021 Pixel Fold launch on October 19, and one of them is going to be the Pixel Fold. It's rumored to go directly up against with the Samsung costly, exceptionally well-polished and almost surprisingly well-reviewed Galaxy Z Fold 3. Google's first foldable device is however unlikely to roll out in big numbers by the end of this year. Instead, we can expect the Pixel Fold to either have a limited release in the 2021 or no release by 2022 at all. Anyhow guys, finally the Pixel series devices launch date is nearer, and we are literally a few weeks away to get to know what the real world performance of the Tensor chipset and also what is going to be the video quality of the new sensor that is coming inside the device. Anyhow guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.